Welcome to Shoviv Software Private Limited. Are you fed up working with many unarranged MSG files? This mismanagement of MSG files can affect your work. The conversion of MSG to PST file format is the best option. To execute this MSG to PST conversion, we have a perfect solution. Introducing Shoviv MSG Converter. This software is an advanced multifunctional and professional tool, and also provides many features to execute, like conversion of MSG files to PST file format with perfection. It allows users to add multiple MSG files to a folder and convert them into PST file format in no time. Also, this delivers options to export MSG to Office 365, Live Exchange Server, and in Outlook Profile also. Users can convert MSG to EML2 by using this tool. And all this is done without interrupting your file items metadata. Shoviv MSG to PST Converter is compatible with all the versions of Windows operating systems, and supports all versions of Outlook, 32 and 64-bit. To download the software, you may visit www.shoviv.com/msgconverter.html and install the software. As you open the software, the home screen of the tool will appear. Click on Demo to check out the demo version of the software. Now, you have to select a MSG folder. Using the Browse button, you can simply select a folder, or any specific drive. After selecting the folder, click OK. Using the Search button, the software will list up all folders and subfolder having MSG file from the browsed one. And using the Add button, you can add the specific folder. Software will check whether the folder has MSG files. Use Trim Folder Level to customize the hierarchy of your destination folder. The software generates a source path and unique target path for each hierarchy you select. You can also select Default Hierarchy option if you do not want to change the hierarchy. Using a backward slash, you can also customize the folder hierarchy. Use the checkbox to select the folders which you want to convert. Click OK. The folders and subfolders that contain MSG files will appear. Now, you can select a folder. The contents of the folder will appear on the screen. Click on Outlook PST icon, a window will appear. Here you can change the export type. The software can also convert the MSG file in EML, and can export the file in Exchange Server, Office 365, and Outlook Profile also. After selecting the Export in PST option from Export Type, select a target folder by clicking on Browse. After selecting the folder, click OK. The software generates a file name and store name by default, which you can change to your convenience. You can protect the file by creating a password. The software also have the option to split the converted PST file as per your requirements. You can also select the export filter criteria, such as subject, from, and to. You can include or exclude the selected criteria. Use semicolon as separator for adding a multiple filter. Click on Export button to proceed. The software will export 50 items per MSG file folder. Click on List button to check out the exported items. The software also generates a report, which you can export in HTML format. Click on Save. A message box will appear, from where you can check the report. This is the simplest way by which you can convert MSG files to Outlook PST file format, using Shoviv MSG Converter. For any sales-related queries, mail us at sales@shoviv.com. For any support-related queries, mail us at support@shoviv.com. And to contact us, visit www.shoviv.com/contact us. Thanks for watching.